Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a quick home decor update. I am showing you all the new pieces that I'm incorporating into my home decor and kind of the updates I want to bring into my house this year. So first off, I want to start off with plants because that is the biggest thing that I am incorporating this year. I started getting plants last year and I became a plant mom for the first time and kept alive my aloe plant and my succulents and all of my other little plants that I have in my room. But the downstairs has always been pretty barren of plants only because of the lack of light. This window right here is pretty much the only light source for the whole downstairs, which kind of sucks, but I'm able to keep some plants alive by putting them in front of this window during the daytime and then putting them back into their spots at night. So I show you guys my ladder shelf and how I've incorporated plants in there. And my favorite place to get small plants is from Trader Joe's. So I got a few different ones. I don't really know the names of plants. I'm really bad at that. One of the plants I'm hoping grows long leaves so that it kind of hangs down. I really like that look. And then I did get a money tree, which I do know the name of that. And I have it actually right next to this window here, and that's where it stays. I'm really into bringing a lot of natural elements into my living and dining room area because I just think that it brings in a whole lot more life and really makes the home feel like a home. And I am also bringing in more natural tones. So I got two very cute jute rugs from Marshall's actually, and I believe one was $29.99 for the longer mat that I have next to my sliding door that leads to the backyard. That one so far, I've had it there for a month or two and it's been holding up really well. And I believe that one is the Ralph Lauren brand. And then I have a smaller one right over here where I'm sitting. So I have a little seating area and I put that underneath there just to kind of bring in the space. I actually would love to layer that, but I have yet to find a larger rug for the space that I like. The one weird thing that no one ever tells you is that finding rugs for your house is one, very expensive, and two, very hard for me to commit to. So I have yet to buy any big rugs for this house and I've been here for almost 2 years. I've only bought smaller area rugs for underneath my dresser in my room and these two new rugs that I got here and then the front door mats as well. But other than that, I cannot commit to any big ones or big designs. I also found these really cute, I only got one, but it's a very cute side table to go right next to my couch, which I'm very happy about because we have been without a side table there ever since we moved. And I believe when I filmed the clips of the decor and the furniture, I had the ladder shelf against the wall, but I actually put it kitty corner and it looks really good. I still need to get some more bigger art pieces for the house, so that's what I'm looking for. Another piece of furniture that I added in recently is a very cute entryway mirror shelf, and I actually found the mirror in the clearance section at Home Goods and I'll insert pictures of it here. It was actually brown and pretty scuffed up, but it was a very good size and I thought it would be perfect for the entryway since it did have a little shelf. And that wall was left blank for so long. So it's right next to the stairway and right next to the door. And underneath it, we do have a boot mat for my boyfriend and his brother to leave their boots when they come in from work. So I ended up spray painting it, which actually took a lot longer than it needed to. But I finally got it finished and cleaned up and hung it on the wall and it looks really good. My vision is to get another hanging plant. Not a hanging plant, but another one that the leaves go down, put it on the top part of it and let it cascade down. I think that'll be very cute, but first I need to find one, or I might have to get a faux one for that area just because, like I said, there's no light on that side of the house. My last little addition I got was another thing from the Home Goods clearance section, and it is this beautiful white piece of art. Well, I don't know how to explain it, but it goes perfect in my guest bathroom that is right next to the entrance as well. And I've been looking for something like that for a while, so I was very happy to find it on clearance. So pro tip, check the clearance area, and if things are a little bit scuffed up but you don't really care, just get it, because that big mirror, I got it for half off. I believe it was $90 and I got it for $45 or $40, which is really good. I just spray painted it. I sanded it down too, so the scuff marks you can't even see. And it really works perfect for the space. In addition to adding more plants to my home, of course, I need a new planter. So I've gotten 2 new planters from Marshall's. They are so cute, and I just transferred in my aloe vera plant into one of the planters. I actually downsized the planter, and it actually looks so much better on my dresser. And then I also got another larger white planter, which has been so cute as well, and that was only a $9.99, I believe, from Marshall's. Or another piece that I added to my home somewhat recently, I think I added it in actually a few months back, which is actually a letterboard. And I know I'm very late on this hype, but I love the letterboard, especially for holidays, to put the holiday up there. And I put it in the entrance hallway, so when people walk in, they feel very welcome. I also got a cute little evil eye with 3 elephants on it from Carmel recently, and I added that right next to it. I know it's supposed to go over a doorway, but I have yet to climb up myself and put it up on somewhere. That is pretty much all my home decor updates that I have right now. I definitely want to refresh the space and bring in some more natural tones this year. I slowly but surely end up getting some more pieces, but I've been kind of slowing down on my spending and trying to sell things before I purchase more things. So I actually am looking for a new sideboard for my dining room. So if you guys have any suggestions, I've been looking on Wayfair every day and checking out Home Goods and Marshall's, but I have yet to find a good one that fits the space. So until then, that is my next purchase that I need to get. My goals are to bring in a lot more life, a lot more plants, and a lot more natural tones. A lot of my furniture right now is a lot of gray tones, but I want to bring in some more golds, some more woods and natural cute elements. So if you guys have any recommendations, definitely let me know. And if you guys like these home decor updates, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos in 2020. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.